Allotropic forms of sulfur. Allotropic forms of sulfur. The main allotropic form of sulfur is crystalline and amorphous form, also called rhombic sulfur and monoclinic sulfur. We are going to discuss the further allotropic form of sulfur in this video. Complete allotropic study of sulfur. Sulfur exists in crystalline as well as amorphous form. Sulfur exists in crystalline as well as amorphous allotropic forms. The crystalline form includes rhombic sulfur, alpha sulfur and monoclinic sulfur, beta sulfur. So, crystalline form include rhombic sulfur, alpha sulfur and monoclinic sulfur, beta sulfur. Amorphous allotropic form include plastic sulfur, gamma sulfur, milk of sulfur and colloidal sulfur. So, mainly there are two forms of allotropes of sulfur. One is crystalline form, another one is amorphous form. Under crystalline form, we have rhombic sulfur, alpha sulfur and monoclinic sulfur, beta sulfur. Under amorphous form, we have three examples. One is plastic sulfur called gamma sulfur, milk of sulfur and colloidal sulfur. Rhombic sulfur, also known as alpha sulfur, is the only thermodynamically stable allotropic form at ordinary temperature and pressure. So, among all the allotropic form, rhombic sulfur is the thermodynamically stable allotropic form at ordinary temperature and pressure. The crystals have a characteristic yellow color and composed of S8 molecule. So, in rhombic sulfur, only S8 molecules are present in the rhombic sulfur. Now, when heated slowly above 96 degrees Celsius, it converts into monoclinic sulfur. When heated slowly above 96 degrees Celsius, it converts into monoclinic sulfur. Upon cooling below 96 degrees Celsius, the beta form converts back into alpha form. So, when rhombic sulfur is heated above 96 degrees Celsius, it converts into monoclinic sulfur. Upon cooling below 96 degrees Celsius, the beta form, monoclinic form, is converted into alpha form. Monoclinic sulfur also containing S8 molecules in addition to small amount of S6 molecule. So, monoclinic sulfur also contains S8 molecule in addition to small amount of S6 molecule. It exists as a long needle-like prism. That monoclinic sulfur exists as a long needle-like prism and is also called as prismatic sulfur. It is stable between 96 degree to 119 degrees Celsius and slowly changes into rhombic sulfur. So, monoclinic sulfur is stable between 96 degree to 119 degrees Celsius and it slowly changes into rhombic sulfur. When molten sulfur, the state in between solid and liquid is called molten. When molten sulfur is poured into cold water, a yellow rubbery ribbon of plastic sulfur is produced. When molten sulfur is poured into cold water, a yellow rubbery ribbon of plastic sulfur is produced. They are very soft and can be stretched easily. They are very soft and can be stretched easily. On standing, that means cooling slowly, it slowly becomes hard. When the plastic sulfur is cooled slowly, it becomes hard and changes to a stable rhombic sulfur and changes into a stable rhombic sulfur. So, remember that monoclinic sulfur finally converted into rhombic sulfur. Plastic sulfur is finally converted into rhombic sulfur. Why? Because rhombic sulfur is the stablest, thermodynamically stable allotropes of sulfur. Sulfur also exists in liquid and gaseous state. At around 140 degrees Celsius, the monoclinic sulfur melt to form mobile pale yellow liquid called lambda sulfur. At around 140 degrees Celsius, the monoclinic sulfur melt to form a mobile pale yellow liquid called, mobile means moving liquid, called lambda sulfur. The vapor over the liquid, sulfur consists of 90% of S8, S7 and S6 and small amount of mixture of S2, S3, S4, S6 molecule. So, the vapor over the liquid sulfur consists of 90% of S8, S7 and S6 and a very small amount of mixture of S2, S3, S4, S5 molecules are also present in the vapor above the liquid. So, sulfur also exists in liquid and gaseous state. Liquid, in liquid form it is pale yellow liquid which is a mobile liquid called lambda sulfur, and in the vapor form, the vapor present above the liquid sulfur consists of mainly S8, S7, S6 and a very small amount of S2, S3, S4, S5 molecules are also present. So, these are the allotropic forms of sulfur.